Welcome to the visual scheduling tutorial in Project Package, and today we're going to discuss the benefits of a schedule board and how it can benefit your company. As you see the departments that we have over to the left, you see the jobs that we have with the different color on the labels. Those are the jobs by week in the departments, and up above you have the weeks. Now you can break those down whether it be by department, profit center, or by person. Once you get your projects on your schedule board, you now can see your future. The week closest to the left is your current week, and it goes from week to week to week. And as you get closer to your current week, next to the department names, that is where you fine-tune what work you're going to throw to the employees or what's up next. We had our production meeting Monday morning first thing with all the pertinent staff, and our foreman would run the board. He would remove all the blocks from the past week, move the entire board forward. That way he could fine-tune what employees worked on what jobs. This system worked out real nice because it got everybody on the same page as the work progressed. Once your estimate is downloaded into Project Pack, you now can create your labels. This is the information that's on the labels of that particular project, and you can see the contract number, the rate and department, the project name, the client name, the due date of the project, and the week and the label number. And all the projects are color-coded that you specify. So now we're going to create a label. You pick your color of the project, you pick the hours that you get out of an employee per week, and then you pick either a single or multiple department label. And these are the numbers that it gets off of the estimate sheet, and these are the weeks, the blocks that go into those weeks. Hit create label and it starts the process. Once this process is done, it will jump back to that sheet, and then you know your labels are finished. The multiple department labels are for a smaller shop or a company that they have one man doing many tasks. So now let's go do a single department label, and the setup's the same. We're just changing it to single department. Switch it and then hit create labels, and that starts the process. Again, once that process is done, your labels will now be created, ready to be printed. Printing of the labels is very easy. It is designed for an Avery label 8161, which is a 1x4, a sheet of 20 labels per page. As you place these labels on your schedule board, you start to see trends. There's 12 different departments from the office all the way to installation. And you now can see where you are overloading your departments and need to hire more people, or it's just proper planning on what you need to do in the future to not have issues with manpower. With this schedule board completed weekly in everyone's view, you now can see your future. You can see your problems, you can see when you need to hire new people, you can plan. And that's the big thing with this business, is consistency and steady growth. We're looking at where estimate collects all the data and breaks it down into departments. We have 20 overall departments. It breaks it down into 12 and then disperses it from there. That's how we download from estimate into Project Package, and then you can print your labels with that information. For those of you who have an estimating process already in place, we now sell the schedule program separately. It works the same as the other program, but any area in blue is where you need to fill in your information with your project. Scheduling is one of the toughest jobs in a woodwork facility today. The new influx with work, the manpower that you have, the equipment that you have, the time that the project is due, everything matters. We tried every software scheduling package that was out there, and nothing worked like the visual scheduling program. Just because it was visual, people looked at it, it was updated by everybody at one time during the week. When people needed information during the week, they'd come to that. They'd look at that, and then they focused on what their next job was. The issue we had with software is nobody looked at it. Everybody was too busy. Nobody had time to update it during the week, and we found after a while only one person, the person who was updating, looked at it. If scheduling is a problem that you're having, please consider Estimate with Project Package, and the schedule program is included that, or if you already have your standalone program and want to purchase the visual scheduling package, but get control of your future, look at your future, and really determine how you want to set the course for you and your firm. Thanks for looking. Please take a look at the other videos that we have. One on the introduction of Estimate, which is the estimating program that everything is based on. Then we have Project Package, which the visualing scheduling program is included with that. And then finally, thank you for watching again.